Hello everyone, and welcome to Mama Education, and today we will make kimchijeon. So first you need kimchi and cut it into pieces, and after that I already add some kimchi sauce, and next we will add buchimgaru or Korean pancake mix. So in every 400 grams of kimchi, you can add 100 grams of buchimgaru. But me, I don't measure at all. Okay, and mix. I think I need to add more. Okay. Just mix it. Okay. After that, you can add spring onion or pa, but this is optional. Some don't want the spring onion taste. And aside from that, you can add shrimp or canned tuna or pork together with the kimchi batter. And add also some gochugaru or chili flakes, and add water. And just mix it. And now I'm satisfied with my Korean pancake mix. We can fry this with some oil.